Lean Belly Breakthru Review. Lean Belly Breakthru is a popular weight loss program presented and created by certified trainer and fitness expert Bruce Kron. The Lean Belly Breakthru program has been a digital bestseller with a tremendous amount of happy customers giving testimonials and positive feedback on their results using the system. Now, this particular niche, exercise and weight loss, is definitely highly competitive. Therefore, for a product to become as successful as the Lean Belly Breakthru system has, it must truly work. And this system certainly does. Now, there is an interesting backstory behind the Lean Belly Breakthru system. Bruce's father-in-law suffered a massive heart attack, and Dr. Heinrich, his father-in-law's physician, used a formula of diet and exercise which was intended to help his father-in-law lose a lot of belly fat. And this weight loss helped in his recovery. Bruce decided to adopt this formula and adjust and tweak it to enhance its overall efficiency for the average user looking to lose belly fat fast to improve health and fitness. The program does not involve taking supplements, and it adheres to a proper training regimen and diet plan, as should you. So let's mention just some of the things that you will learn to action from the program. How to clear your arteries of fatty buildup using herbs and spices in your diet. Easy to follow weight loss and exercise instructional videos. And all the information you need right now to get rid of harmful belly fat quickly. And how to keep diabetes or the threat of diabetes under control. Plus effective meal plans to boost your metabolism. Information on preventing heart attacks and other cardiac and health problems brought about by obesity. Of course, there are positives and negatives as there are with any online digital product. So let's run through a few. Okay, so let's talk about the pros, the positives of the Lean Belly Breakthru system. Simply put, the formula behind the Lean Belly Breakthru system is particularly effective, and the fact that it is so popular speaks for itself. The majority of similar programs provide nothing but a general diet regime and maybe basic exercising information. The info here, however, is very specific, complete and to the point. You will be provided with a list of foods that are literally going to melt away that belly fat, and also of course which foods to avoid in order to prevent heart disease and other health problems associated with obesity. Let's face it, we know that weight loss is not accidental. It requires a plan and a system. But of course you need to be smart, organised and sensible and properly track your results. Bruce is all too aware of this, of course, and that's why he has included tracking sheets which will help you monitor your progress throughout the program. He will show you how to burn twice as much fat in 3-minute exercise sessions, and this is powerful stuff. And the good news, of course, is that it is risk-free purchase, as it comes with a 100% money back, no questions asked refund policy and guarantee under the umbrella of the clickbank.com payment processing system. So if you don't actually lose weight and get into better shape, you'll be getting your money back. That sounds fair enough to me. The advice you will get on nutrition and exercise is top-notch, compiled as it is by an expert in the field. take action tips and tutorials. These are particularly powerful to enhance your metabolic function even while you're sleeping. Okay, so let's look at the negatives of the Lean Belly Breakthru system. The product, the PDF reports, the videos, the tracking sheets, they're all available as digital downloads, so it's only a digital program, so you need to have a computer to download it, which is kind of obvious really. The product and system definitely works, but it still takes time and commitment to show real and lasting results. There's no quick fix for losing belly fat fast. So, is the Lean Belly Breakthru system for you? If you have so far been unsuccessful in obtaining decent weight loss results to date, and everything you've tried so far has failed, this is a product that you seriously ought to take notice of. The Lean Belly Breakthru system quite simply provides you with a great foundation and a realistic plan to burn away that unwanted spare tire. Apply the information, training, tips and tactics and start dropping weight quicker than you ever thought possible. Apply yourself and make the commitment to follow through on the Lean Belly Breakthru system, and it will work for you, and that's the bottom line. Click the link below this video for our free quick weight loss cheat sheet. So don't forget to like our video. We've done our best to explain the Lean Belly Breakthru for you. And also, most importantly, don't forget to click our bonus link underneath the video to get all the cool stuff for free to help you lose that belly fat fast.